So this video this time is mostly about paint. Get the painting done so I can proceed on to bigger and better and more fun items. I need to get the painting done so I can put through hulls, fittings through the hull of the boat. I got to finish up a little added 2-inch spot where I needed a fish box drain, etc. So as you'll see. So we're just getting ready to acid etch. We're going to drop the plastic down and kind of tape off. I spent all day yesterday sanding weld marks and whatnot, turning out pretty good. I just got to come in here and got to jump on this real quick, my filler, just get this knocked down. But acid etching next. That's not a fun process, but it's a necessary one. Almost all taped off. Tomorrow morning, get up here and do that top rail like these. So they're taped off, ready for primer, and probably midday tomorrow, primer. Prime all this, got to get up there and just finish taping off in there. It's going to take me another 2-3 hours. That's kind of the lazarette down there, the sealed from the rest of the boat. There's only a passage through over here for all the controls and stuff, and I'm planning on the controls for the engines coming up through here. And this just gets a inspection hatch, but it has its own bilge and a high water alarm on top of the bilge switch on and off down there. Because the outboards, once again, mount on these 5x5 by 3/8 boxed aluminum, which are welded all out all the way around, and then I reinforced by putting another 3/4 inch plate in the top here, welding that all out and welding it along here. So the bolts only go through here instead of going into that lazarette hole. And plus easy access to the nuts when you're putting them on, and then the bottom is just down here. So yeah, we acid etched. That's a pain. Cleaned it all up. She's ready. Tomorrow we'll prime, maybe tomorrow later in the afternoon, even start throwing the top coat. Okay, the all grip top coat G formula, and this is the medium gray. And obviously, you know, you can see some of the welds. Painted up underneath, painted right down to the black Trilux 33 anti-foulant. drain holes. Those are deck drain holes. That's the 3 by 3 inch main drains for the openings of the hatches. And then they got, of course, a 2 inch that goes out the side also that joins in. The fish bleed box, it'll get a lid on it. So all the combing, the upper part here, the gunnel combing, all painted out, everything's painted out underneath, right? So the all grip top coat, medium gray. It's all painted up underneath. So I got the boat in the, the car, the Volvo sitting in the shop thawing out from all the snow and ice on it. But I moved the scaffold on the other side. That way it allows me to have now this whole area to work. And it gives a pretty good perspective of the boat, the side of it. And so I'm gonna walk up. Of course, I had to do a little something, playing around. Got the rod holders, the pop-up cleat. This side buoy holder. The night lights, I'll have white spreader lights up here that'll shine down. And then I'm gonna have another row of LEDs up and behind here. And those will be white, shining down on the wall. Thought I'd do a shot of the profile since I got stuff out of the way. So you can see here, I had to do a little sanding and had to put in a little aluminum welded 2-inch. And the reason why is because my plan for my drain from my fish box, which is right here, wasn't going to align with the drainage. I got a heck of a deal going here. So I was going to have it come out of the bottom, and because of drainage and slope, I had to weld this in the other day and finish it off, and I put 5200 in the old hole, and so the drain's at the very bottom. It'll get pretty much all the water out. So this one here is the main that goes out, and it's going to go out to that hole. This one sweeps up and it'll connect into the 3x3 deck drain. So it comes down, drains here and drains out. This is just a ball valve to shut off the tank so that we can fill it with slush ice, glacier ice. So, of course, the fish box goes up inside here, sets up right up in there, and then that whole drain side is here and goes out through the side. Then I have another one, so what I have is this 2-inch here that goes down and connects with that one, and there's another 2-inch, and it goes out the port side. So that one there, and the hose will run up along and connect over to the side. So I just got through, and then I also had a 1-inch that's down inside here. Noisy. It's inside there, that 1-inch. That joins into the 2-inch. So that's drainage for in there. I got another drainage on the outboard edge. So rainwater, wash down water that might collect. And then that one shoots out through the black 2-inch. So that's a 2-inch opening, 2-inch hose. So each side has that. And then that 3x3 channel also comes all the way back to here, and it's open, full square open 3x3. So the deck should drain. You know, you could throw 5-gallon buckets of water on this thing and it's not gonna flood and come up over the lip and drain down inside is what I don't want.